The Society of Women Engineers Career Center is a free and easy-to-use tool to help manage your career at all stages. With new positions posted each week, you will find employment opportunities in a variety of engineering disciplines and for all experience levels. Uploading your resume to the SWE Career Center helps put you in front of leading companies in the engineering and technology fields. Visit careers.swe.org to get started today. Creating a job seeker account is quick, simple, and at no cost to you. You can even create your account using your Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn profiles. Your account dashboard will show your profile settings, messages, your in-progress or completed job applications, and your saved job postings. Identify India as your location when updating your contact settings so employers can reach out for opportunities near you. It's easy to upload, update, and manage your resume in the SWE Career Center. You can either upload your current resume or build one online. Remember to include important details on your resume, such as your contact information, location and address, and engineering or technology discipline. You can also add identifying features for more visibility on your resume, such as the status of your SWE membership or your attendance at a SWE conference. Keep your resume fresh by using the Edit feature to update it as your talents, skills, and interests grow. Don't forget, you can search for job opportunities posted to the SWE Career Center. Narrow your search using the filters to find opportunities related to certain engineering disciplines or postings in specific countries. Create a job alert and be the first to know about new jobs. You will automatically receive an email when new jobs fitting your search are available. Visit careers.swe.org and get your resume in front of hiring employers today.